Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, we finished the notice writing yesterday. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
How many types of notice did we do?
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. Who will tell me all the 6 headings? Let me see who will answer. Okay, do it together. Tell me all the 6 types of notices we have done.
Notice for meeting.
Very good. Number 1. Next.
Ma'am, notice for events like competition and celebration.
Good. Number 2. Two are done.
For a fee. Notice for a
Okay.
fee.
Very good.
Notice
Next.
for lost or found.
Excellent. One more is left.
Notice for changing names and address.
Very good. Change of name and address. Too good. Now we'll move on to the new topic today of the syllabus, that is advertisements. What are we starting today?
Advertisements.
There are different types of advertisements like to let, all these things. The first advertisement that I'm taking up today with you is situations. It could be vacant or it could be wanted. Situation vacant, there is already a place which is empty and I want somebody to come and join. Supposing there is a vacancy of a teacher and the school gives an advertisement, that will be known as situation vacant. And if a teacher is looking for a job and gives the qualification and seeks a job, that is wanted. So situation vacant and situation wanted. Is it okay, everybody? Okay. Now just read this wanted one, the middle one. I'm giving you 2 minutes. All of you will read this one, the wanted advertisement in the center. Quickly. Read the middle one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now read the third one. And then we'll discuss the difference between the second and the third. Accounts and finance, that one. That one also, and we'll discuss the differences.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, Avinav is outside. Please allow.
Okay. Read the third one also, Bacha, quickly, and let's discuss the differences. Read carefully the second one and the third one, and then we'll discuss what is different. Yes, can you tell me the difference, beta? What do you observe? Difference in the second and the third one.
Ma'am, in second one, experience is given, while in third one, experience is not given.
Okay. Others, one difference we've got. Others also you've read it. Tell me the differences that you have observed.
Ma'am, in second one, their address is given, and in third one, email and address both are given.
Okay, very good. One more
Ma'am, in
difference.
third one, we have to apply for the job.
And in the last one, third one, what is happening?
Ma'am, in third one, we have to apply, but in second one, we can go and give interview.
Ma'am, in
Okay.
first and second, ma'am, they want we wanted a job, but in second they are giving us job.
First and second, we want a job. No, it's a walk-in interview. They're saying you can come for the job. See, beta, nothing much. Always remember, first heading has to be wanted, capital letters, and then who is wanted. Like a female receptionist, so F and R is capital. Sampling coordinator, S and C is capital. Here we are looking for a chartered accountant, accounts and finance. So the language can change. Word limit, what did you understand with the word limit? Approximately how much should it be?
20 to 40 words.
Okay, do you agree with Divansh, children?
Hmm. 20 to 25 words. Ma'am, 30 to 40. Yes, ma'am.
See, an advertisement is given in the newspaper and you have to pay for every word. There the money is done. Money has to be paid in according to the number of words. So make sure it is very short, brief, to the point. Don't make it very long. In no case, it should be more than 50 words. In no case, it should be more than 50 words because you have to pay for it. Here, so the heading is what always wanted. Whatever vacancy is there, we'll write in the next line. Then we'll talk about what all is desired. Walk-in interview, or you have to apply, what you have to do. Okay. Now come to this situation wanted. This is just the opposite. What you just told me, that you want a job. So how will you give an advertisement in the newspaper? Read the question. You are Vikram Sonia, honors graduate in history, specialization. You are well acquainted with places of historical interest. You're looking for the job of a tourist guide. So situation wanted. What is the difference? Start. It is not situation vacant. What is the heading? Situation
Wanted.
wanted. This is the main
Ma'am,
difference.
मैम वैकेंट में
Yes.
वो आएगा जिसमें मतलब ऑनर हमें देना चाहे, मतलब जॉब देना चाहे.
वैकेंट मतलब सपोजिंग आप एक स्कूल रन करते हो और आपको कुछ अपॉइंटमेंट करना है, तो जो आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट देंगे वो सिचुएशन वैकेंट. वैकेंट मतलब खाली है जगह. ओके,
Okay,
कौन
ma'am.
सी जगह खाली है? यू आर टेलिंग एवरीबॉडी दैट इज वैकेंट. And wanted, we want a job. Very simple to remember. Wanted. Read the first one, beta. See how we write situation wanted. Keep reading when I'm scrolling. Keep reading when we scroll down so that you get an idea of how it is written. No need to write as of now.
Ma'am, meaning of remuneration.
pages.
Did you read the first one, situation wanted? First, we are talking about a qualification that honors graduate in history with specialization, if at all we have specialization. Seeks a job as a tourist guide. What job are we seeking for? Remuneration required is negotiable. What does this mean? What do you mean by this line? Remuneration required is negotiable.
And we can adjust the salary accordingly.
Yes, beta. Salary can be discussed or negotiated. Very good. Now, intending employers, matlab those who have an intention, those who want me to join, they may contact on my email or on my mobile number. Seen children how to write situation wanted?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the difference in the second one. The principal of Sunrise Global School requires a receptionist for the school. Draft a suitable advertisement in 50 words. Now the heading changes. It is not situation wanted. What is it?
Second.
Vacant. And you will not write in capital letters. Only the first letter has to be capital. Now read about receptionist. What all qualifications? All this you'll have to think yourself. See if you need a receptionist, that one wall qualifications. If you're looking for a sports teacher, then what qualification? All these things you'll have to think yourself, bache. Read about this. Read beta. What is the qualification that they're looking for in the receptionist?
Graduate and
See, we are not asking for high-fi degrees. If you're talking about a receptionist job over here, accordingly, you have to give your requirement beta. We don't need PhD holders for a receptionist job. So over here, if you see, it's a little different. Females are preferred because they have more patience. It is believed to be so. So we have to apply before, so way to apply, when to apply, how to apply. This has to be mentioned. Apply with complete biodata before this date. Way to apply, administrative office of the school. Let's read this. You're Karan Karuna, M114 Mall Road, Delhi. You're a civil engineer. Recently returned from UAE. You're looking for a suitable job in India. So, see how we will draft this. Keep reading, you'll get ideas of how different advertisements are written. This is situation vacant or situation wanted?
Situation wanted.
Yes. A BTech in civil engineering from NIT Jaipur, matlab qualification, then experience, 3 years factory construction experience in UAE. Seeks a suitable job with a construction company. He's very specific where he wants to work because he's already worked in a construction company earlier. Remuneration required is negotiable. Intending employees may contact me on my mail ID. If you see, the language is entirely the same. Only the first line changes, where you talk about your qualification and your experience and where you're looking for a job in an MNC or in a specific area. That is your requirement. So the first line only changes, rest everything remains the same. See this. Your school, Akash Public School, Agra, needs a canteen manager. On behalf of the principal, write an advertisement. Canteen manager. Obviously, the requirement would be very different. Please read this and see. For different advertisements, you need different qualifications. Red beta. What is the idea that I'm trying to give you? Supposing you do not know the qualifications. Supposing now they're talking about a canteen manager and you do not know what to write, then this is the perfect advertisement to be written. Understand. Candidate must be a graduate with at least 5 years experience. That's it. If you don't know what qualification should I write, canteen manager or store in charge, storekeeper, sometimes they will give you one very different kind of job requirements and you don't know what should I write. So always remember, you can write this line. The candidates must be a graduate with at least 5 years of experience in the field. That is it. Okay, supposing they're asking for a lab attendant or a lab technician. Now you don't know what should I write. So what is the thing you'll write? Must be a graduate. What is the first thing you'll write, children? That the person must be a graduate with at least 5 years experience. Is it okay for everybody? Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Supposing they ask you for a data analyst. Now you keep thinking, what is this? Storekeeper. You don't know what should I write. Security in charge. You don't know the qualifications. So always remember these two things can be written. That the candidates must be a graduate and having 5 years of experience in the relevant field. That's all you can write. So please remember this. If you don't know the qualification, this is the easiest way to write. Now this one. General
Please
manager,
tell
hotel.
once.
Beta, supposing there is a vacancy for which qualification you do not know. We don't know. Supposing
Yes.
store in charge. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि what qualification we should write for store in charge. जहां भी समझ में नहीं आए, write this. What? Candidate must be graduate with at least 5 years of experience. That is it. Wherever you don't know what qualification should I write, it is always better to write candidates must be graduate with at least 5 years of experience. Your general manager, Hotel Dosa Gurgaon, you need a lady front office assistant with sound knowledge of computers. Here they've already mentioned the requirement with lady and computer knowledge. Graduate, good in communication skills, pleasing manners, everything is given. So these kind of questions are easy. If you see, these are board year questions only. It's mentioned over here. All of them are board year questions which have been taken. Delhi 2016, 2016, this is 2017, this is 2018, All India, All India. So these are all board questions only, which I have taken up this. Let's read this. Has all the information which was given over here, has it been put over here or not? The fifth advertisement. See this better. Wanted a female front office assistant with sound knowledge of computers in Hotel Dosa, Gurgaon. Candidate must be a graduate, good in communication skills, well-mannered, experienced. Now when to come, where to come? Walk in on 11th March, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. with all documents. For further information, contact the so-and-so and who is giving this advertisement, general manager. This is not needed. No need to give this. So what date is the walk-in interview? What will be the time of the walk-in interview? And this is again a very good thing which you can write. Agar word limit kam lag raha ho, then you can always use this line. Okay, carry original documents and for further information, contact so and so. What do you mean by original documents?
Not a photocopy.
Yes, beta. Not a photocopy, like 10th mark sheet original, 12th mark sheet original. So this you will get ideas. कि अगर word limit समझ में नहीं आए, what all has to be written, then these are the things you can take. Chaliye, let's do this. Gargi Public School Agra requires cricket coaches. Now see, it's a very different kind of an advertisement. Please see. This is the last type I have been taking today. 6 types we have done and 3 in the beginning. 9 I have shown you. Yes, Peter. Gargi Public School. Now listen, all this is not needed. Let me tell you. This Gagan Vihar, this is not needed. Gargi Public School requires cricket coaches, preferably males below 25 years of age with a minimum experience of 2 to 3 years. Qualification and salary as per government norms. Application forms available at school, reception, not counter. between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. This is not a very nicely drafted advertisement. This could have been better. Okay. These are all situations vacant. Situation vacant, vacant. This is wanted. The main purpose is, have you understood the difference between situation vacant and situation wanted? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, what are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
details required? Just read this. What are the details required when we write such situations? Okay. Any newspaper which comes to your house, you can open it, classified advertisement, the heading is there. You will find many of these kinds in the newspapers. Okay, beta, very quickly. What are the details required? Start with required or wanted. Now you know how to decide whether it is required or wanted. Name of the post and the number of vacancies, pay scale, company name, qualifications, experience, essential requirements, if there is any mode of application, whether you have to email or whatever it is. Is it okay? Now
Yes, ma'am.
this one, let me change it a little. You are a BTech, okay, from IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee, whatever you want to take. BTech, engineer, civil engineer, electronics engineer, it's entirely your choice. You were working in some other country. Let's talk about which country?
United States of America.
Okay. You are working with United States as a civil engineer with a particular MNC, either a multinational company or some construction company or a cement industry, whatever your choice entirely. And now you shifted to India, you're looking for a job. Please draft an advertisement. See this, it'll be almost the same. A BTech or MTech, whatever qualification you want to put, electronics engineering, computer engineering from IIT, whichever place. You can change your experience, everything you can change. Okay. Okay. Try to write and post beta. Let me see if there's any mistake. I'll do the corrections. This will be situation vacant or situation wanted. Yes,
Same
बच्चे, situation
situation.
vacant. Wanted. This is situation wanted. Good. I hope you all are writing, and also remember to make a box. Beta box has to be made.
Now, what are these type of advertisement called? Classified.
Beta, both wanted and vacant, both are put in the category of classified advertisements only. They're all classified advertisements. However, there are two categories, vacant and wanted. If you see the English newspapers or the Hindi newspapers, you have a separate area for these kind of advertisements. Hindi mein normally they write आवश्यकता hai, that kind of a thing. And English newspapers, you will find these headings. Whoever finishes, let me know that ma'am we've done. We are posting on the group so that I could check and give you the feedback.
Try beta.
I hope you are writing, beta.
Ma'am, should I post on the group? Ma'am,
Beta, are you posting on the group?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Post. Let me check. Please post on the group. Very good. Just post on the group. You made a box?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Post, beta, so that I can read.
Now I've posted.
I'm reading, beta, what she's posted. I want others as well to post on the group quickly.